In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only show mutual friends on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting right here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm on the main page. From here, I'm heading straight to my profile, so I'll just click on my profile icon and let that load up. Now that I'm on my profile page, I'm looking for the friends section. It's usually easy to find somewhere near the top or just under your profile info. I see it right here, so I'm going to click on friends, and that opens up my full friends list. Once that's done, I can see all my friends listed here, and this is where we're going to adjust the privacy so only mutual friends are visible to others. At this point, I'm going to look for the three dot icon on this page. It's usually somewhere near the top of the friends section. I see the three dots here, so I'm just going to click on that, and a small menu pops up with more options. From this menu, I'm going to select Edit Privacy, so I'll go ahead and click on Edit Privacy, and now it takes me into the settings where I can control who can see my friends list. Alright, so now I'm inside the privacy settings, and this is where the main change happens. What I'm going to do here is change the visibility setting to public. So I'm selecting public from the options. Once that's set to public, what this does is allow people to see your friends list, but Facebook will still only show mutual friends to others depending on their own privacy settings. So this is the setting you want if you only want mutual connections to be visible. Now that I've selected public, I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. So I'm clicking on save, and that applies the new setting, and just like that, the update is done. Your friends list visibility is now adjusted, and it will show accordingly based on mutual connections. I'll just go over it one more time while we're here so you can see how simple it is. You go to Facebook, open your profile, click on friends, tap on the three dots, choose edit privacy, change it to public, and then hit save. I'm just going to quickly tap around again to show you the flow. Back to friends, tap the three dots, go into edit privacy, set it to public, and then save. Same exact process every time, and that's really all there is to it. It's a quick setting change, and once it's saved, you're all set.